Hello dear friends, we are here with a tutorial on Leica TS series Total Station camera. Before starting work with any of the Leica Total Stations, we must first complete the device settings thoroughly. Total Station settings consist of 3 sections. We select the setting option from the main page and choose the general settings. These settings include 4 pages, each of which will be explained to you in detail. Initially, we can adjust the contrast settings, which are adjustable within the range of 10% to 100%. The next key related to settings is Key 1, located on the right side of the device, which has 3 modes: All, which measures and stores points; Dist mode, which measures and displays values; and Off mode, which is inactive. The next keys are related to User 1 and User 2, which are hardware keys capable of programming in different modes. Each program performs a specific function. User 1 and User 2 keys have similar settings that we can modify. The next key is for adjusting the compensator or internal automatic level, which is a 4-axis type and can be adjusted in 3 modes. In the first mode, the compensator function is only in the vertical axis, in the second mode, it is in both horizontal and vertical axes, and in the third mode, it is deactivated. Finally, there is a key related to correcting the horizontal angle collimation error, which we can turn on or off inside the device. Then we enter the second page of settings. The first key is related to keyboard sound settings, which can be changed in 3 states: normal/loud/off. The next key is for sector beep, which emits intermittent or continuous sound from the device when passing through each of the angles: 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. The next key is for increasing the horizontal angle, which includes 2 modes, clockwise and counterclockwise. The next key is for V setting, which is related to the 0 vertical angle and can be adjusted in 3 modes: zenith, horizontal, slope. The next key is for selecting left circle and right circle modes, which are adjustable in 2 modes: V left, based on the left side and clockwise, and V right, based on the right side and counterclockwise. The last 2 options are for the device language, which we can set to work comfortably in the language of our choice. The third page of general camera settings pertains to the angle measurement unit settings, which have 4 modes: degree minute second, decimal display, measurement in gradients, and measurement in mils. The next settings concern determining the minimum angle reading accuracy. The following key is for setting the distance measurement unit, which includes meters, feet, and inches. The next key determines the number of digits after the decimal point of the measured unit, which is adjustable according to project requirements. The subsequent key is for setting the temperature measurement unit in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Settings related to the pressure unit, which measures pressure, have 4 measurement modes. The slope display method, with 2 modes, V, H and HV, is changeable. The fourth page of settings concerns data output settings, which determine the output of the data we have collected, with 2 modes: storing on external memory or via a connector to a connected device. Next are the GSI settings, which can be set as GSI 8 and GSI 16. Following are GSI mask settings, which configure the output mask in 3 modes. The first mode displays point number /horizontal angle /vertical angle /slope distance /reflector height and device height. The second mode displays point number /horizontal angle /vertical angle /slope distance /reflector height. And the third mode displays all given and measured information. We have code record settings next, which provide the option to save the code in 2 modes: before measurement and after measurement, which are adjustable. Code settings, for specifying the type of feature surveyed, have 2 modes. After determining the desired code and measuring, the corresponding code will be deleted and ready for a new code, and the next mode allows the user to hold on to the code for the user to delete. The final settings are for turning on the display screen light. The fifth or last page of general settings. The first option pertains to turning on the display screen heaters, which should be noted that Leica TS series cameras have this option, allowing us to turn on the screen heater if the ambient temperature is below 5 degrees. The next settings concern point implementation, with 2 modes: adding characters in front of surveyed points or adding characters when implementing a point. Next, settings for implementing user points allow adding 4 characters to the beginning and end of the implemented point. Following are sort type settings, for sorting and storing information, with 2 modes, based on time and point name. Subsequent settings pertain to repeating point names in a job. Lastly, settings for automatic camera shutdown. I hope this tutorial has been useful for you. Stay tuned for our next tutorials.